Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have the essentials, now start. First, verify your phone model and OS because hardware decides accuracy. Once confirmed, install the face recognition app or SDK so you can access camera streams. Next, enable camera, microphone, storage, and biometric permissions. These allow live capture and secure templates. Make sure the battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions. While installing, read the privacy prompt so you understand where images and templates are stored and why that matters for security. Once the app is ready, collect data methodically. You should capture 20 to 30 frontal images with slight angle and lighting variation so the model generalizes, move slowly, and keep background plain. Then open SDK settings and set a sensible detection threshold. Lower is permissive, higher is strict. Adjust template size for storage versus accuracy, and enable liveness checks to prevent spoofing. Now enroll the face templates. Make sure templates are encrypted on device, so they cannot be extracted if the phone is lost. Now finalize by testing thoroughly. Run at least 10 successful authentications and 10 imposter attempts while logging match scores so you can see where thresholds should sit. If you get too many false rejects or accepts, aim for under 5%, adjust the threshold, improve enrollment images, or enable stronger liveness checks. Once tuned, lock settings and enable auto updates. If things go wrong, check the camera hardware and IR module. Re-enroll the subject, update the SDK, and review logs to pinpoint failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.